many times when we have a situation, we tend to maybe catastrophize it, exaggerate it, our thought process. Maybe we're behind something about work and we're like, oh no, I'm going to get fired, or this person's going to hate me, or this is going to happen to me. So we try to push it as much as possible, and it makes us feel worse. It makes the situation even more daunting, more stressful than it really needs to be. What you really want to do in these situations is get yourself to the point that you're actually an absorber of the situation. You're observing yourself saying, well, is this really accurate? What is the worst case scenario really? And if that worst case scenario, what are the chances of it even happening? And a lot of times, if we're able to sit back and just look at our thoughts, look at how ridiculous they might be at times, what actually happens is that it works out your prefrontal cortex. It's like a muscle. So that way, as you observe your thoughts, it's not allowing it to go to your amygdala, which then takes control. It makes you an emotional mess. So by observing it and seeing sometimes how ridiculous it is or questioning it, what you're doing is that you're training your brain to not all of a sudden jump to the amygdala to take control. So the next time you say, oh, the sky is falling, or whatever it may be that you say, whatever a situation, if you're able to step back and look at it and then assess the situation, what does this really mean? Then again, you're just triggering your brain. And the more you do that, the more you build that muscle. So long-term is going to help you out emotionally.
Check out the link in our bio for our emotional intelligence course and coach certification, starting at only $6.99.